I want to make some pellets, and you can see the die. This is 13 mm. So these are the other devices, and here you measure the mass. So usually I'm using, for my material, for this material I'm using around 30 to 35. So you can see here this is around is more, so we need to keep it under 35. So this is, yeah, that's fine. So 34.34 gram. Okay, so we measured the mass, and now we want to start the pelleting. So here you can see, you just throw in this one, and this one is the another one, and this is the main rod. Now let me show you the machine. So this is the machine for the pressing, and here we set it somewhere in the center, and there you can press it manually. Yeah, so make sure it's center and it's tight. So I'm using with one hand and recording, but you can do with two hands, holding the die with one hand and pressing the wheel. So just yeah, you can see it now. Here is this one, you just tighten it, make sure this hole is open and the screw is out. Okay, now this is the pressure gauge. You can see doing this is the rod, and here we go. So I'm pressing it at 5. So here I'm leaving it for 30 seconds, and it depends on the material and for the requirement for yourself, but for me it's just 5 tons and 30 seconds. So 30 seconds passed. Now after 30 seconds you release it slowly, like this, very slowly, more better, but for my material it's okay. So yeah, it's 0. Now you can remove the die and take it out. Okay, so here you can see, and you can press it, like if it's not easily removable, you can press it from here. Yeah, it's done. Otherwise you can put it back in the machine and press it. So what I'm doing actually to do it, yeah, you can see it's done. So be very careful, use 2 hands and everything. So you can see how we do it. Okay, yeah, this is the pallet I wanted to make. Thank you.